Hey, TechKnowSurge. You know, some Cisco switches have an alternative to 802.1q. In fact, on some Cisco switches, it's set up as the default, while it's unsupported on other Cisco switches. So we should be familiar with this inner switch link, or ISL, this alternative to 802.1q. 802.1q adds a tag that includes VLAN information that gets transferred from one switch to another. This allows it to transfer the information on what VLAN that frame is a part of. As we see with inner switch link, ISL, the tag is added at the beginning. So the two don't play well together. You have to configure one or the other on a link. This is only supported on Cisco devices. It is Cisco proprietary. And even then, it's not supported on all Cisco devices. In fact, it's being deprecated, so it's not really recommended on any new networks to use ISL. Instead, the recommendation is to use 802.1q. There are a few advantages to ISL, but ultimately there are more advantages to 802.1q. Since some Cisco devices, ISL is set up as the default, while other switches it's not, we may need a change between 802.1q and ISL. Let's take a look at what that looks like. The configurations for this is really quite simple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get into the global configuration mode and then the interface that I want to change. So in this case right here, I'm going to do interface FA10 and we'll do 43. And once I'm in the interface, all I need to do is do a switch port trunk encapsulation, because this is choosing the encapsulation level here. And then I'm going to do a question mark. And you can see I can set it for .1q, ISL, or negotiate. So in this case right here, since we're going and we want to move to .1q, in this case right here, I'll type in .1q and then hit enter on that. At this point, I'd configure it just like any other .1q port, where I would set up the VLANs on this interface so that way it could start communicating with the other switch.